Quick inventory update tayo. Si Motor 10K dumating na ngayong May 2026. I-unbox natin yung unit para makita natin yung updated version. Let's go! So meron tayong manual na kasama and charger and tools. And yung assemble natin yung handlebar lang. Kailangan nyo lang i-align yung butas para may pasok yung bolt. .36 volts, 6 amperes. Quick specs check tayo ng Motor 10K electric scooter. Pinakamurang adult electric scooter sa balat ng Pilipinas. 36 volts, 6 Ah battery. Lithium ion na yung gamit natin dito. Tapos meron tayong front wheel drive, 350 watts. Top speed natin, 25 kph. Meron tayong dalawang 8 inches solid tires, so walang flat-flat na yan. Meron tayong bell, headlight, tsaka taillight, and brake light. Magaan lang tong unit na to, around 12 kilos. And foldable din to. Lightweight electric scooter. Available na to at Motor Electric. If interested kayo, kindly message our Facebook page, Ibiraway. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do. If you want to drop by, we are open 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Sunday with a 12 to 1 p.m. lunch break. We are easy to find on Waze and Google Maps. Just search Motor Electric Vehicle PH Tondo. Address and contact details are on the screen. Ibiraway.